Hello, friends, and welcome back to 5K account series. Finally, I'm back again after a few weeks, maybe 2-3 weeks. Right now, the date and the time is 2:14 p.m., 20th of November, 2024. And before I show you the update of the account and the balance, just to give you my personal update, I told you in the last video that I will be traveling and I will be making the video maybe in the first week of November, which I could not because a mother of my mother passed away. So my grandnanny, you could call. So the mother of my mother, she passed away, and I was there for 2 weeks to support my mother. So yeah, it took me more than expected. So, anyways, I'm back now, and I'm free, finally available to concentrate on my work. And but yeah, in last 3 weeks, I had been traveling and busy, going here and there, and a lot of work has been there. Okay. Anyways, let's get on to the business and. Okay, so date is 20th of November, and where's my account is right here. So nothing has changed actually. In last 3 weeks, this is week 9 video which you're watching. The previous video was week 6, which is on my channel. You can go to my channel TubeCore, and this is week 6 here, and you will have other videos in the playlist. Okay, so go and watch these videos if you're watching this video for the first time to know what's happening. Now, coming back here, the balance has not changed from the previous weeks. Reason is quite simple because we are stuck with a trade which is right now in negative minus $3,500. Okay. I told you in my previous videos, like I predicted 1 or maybe 4 weeks ago. Yeah. I predicted more than a month ago that this balance will cross minus $3,000, which it did. And to add on, what do you call? Cherry on the cake, something like that. Okay, what happened? There were elections in the US, and obviously Trump won. And everybody knew, anybody who is in the right mindset, who knows how things work, everybody knew if Trump will win, dollar will shoot up. Everybody knew that. I hope you understand. Okay, so yes, Trump won the elections, at least for now. I don't know if they can, if they can put him in the bar in some fake cases. Anyways, so yeah, Trump won, and then the dollar went up. So this minus 35.26, which you see right now, this even crossed minus $4,000. Okay, but now I have checked the graph and everything. Seems like this has started to come down. Okay, so this minus $3,500 will come down to minus 3,000, minus 2,500, and then so on in the coming weeks. Okay. Now, let me give you some maybe, or maybe not. Maybe I will. Okay. I'll give you a hint. Okay. So some people might be thinking it's been like 9 weeks. 9 weeks is how much? 2 months, and then the first week of the third month, right? So we are in the starting of the third month because 8 weeks means 2 months, right? So 9 weeks means 2 months plus 1 week, okay? And what we have made from those $5,000 is only $557, right? Okay. But could somebody tell me how much did we lose in 2 months and 1 week? Answer is $0. We have not lost anything in this trading. I mean, go and find any trader out there who would not lose money in 9 weeks. Okay, so yes, on one end you could argue that in $5,000 you only made $557 in 9 weeks, but my argument is you have lost nothing. Okay, but on top of that, when this amount is going to come down, and I'm talking about the grok, not the amount exactly, okay? What I am going to do is I am going to take a manual trade, okay? Because I know what's gonna happen. If you go and watch my 6 videos previously, I have been telling you what's gonna happen. I have been telling you this will go into minus 3,000 plus. I have been telling you if Donald Trump will win the elections, then the dollar will shoot up, which happened, and that minus 3,000 went up to minus 4,000. So everything which I predicted was spot on, okay? Right now, today in this video, I'm predicting that once the dollar starts coming down in next couple of weeks, maybe I will take a manual trade in this account, okay? And that manual trade will shoot this balance up to even $10,000 in just one trade within few days. So you could say for 9 weeks, you had been only making $5, but in the number of maybe 2, 3, 4 weeks to come, you will see I will take one manual trade, and that one manual trade will convert this 5,000 into 10,000 very easily. So by the end of 3-4 months, your 10 will have your 10,000 from 5,000. Time will tell. I'm just giving you a glimpse, an idea what I have in my mind. Okay. For now, we have been using the system on automation. I have touched nothing. The balance went to minus 4,000 as well. I did nothing. I knew elections will happen and dollar will go up if Trump will win. I knew that. Still, I did not close anything. I did not panic. I did not touch anything. Okay. And then before that, I predicted that in normal cases, this will go into minus 3,000 and then it will start coming down. But Trump won, which added minus extra $1,000. A lot of people might have lost the money. I have not. Okay. So again, my prediction is this will start coming down now because it's too much. Okay. I could be wrong. Who knows? Who knows? Because Trump has won. Maybe dollar will go up again. I don't know. I'm not the god. Okay. But it should come down now because it has been going up from last maybe couple of months. Okay. It's time for dollar to come down. And then once it starts coming down, I will take a manual trade. And that manual trade will actually give us a lot of profit, which you will see when I will do that practically. So I guess you got the idea. For last 3 weeks, I have been away, busy, family, personal problems and all that. Okay. But next video will be going live on coming Sunday in just 2 weeks, in just 2 days. Okay. So I hope we are on the same page now, and probably on this coming Sunday in 2 days, there will be nothing much. The balance will remain the same, and this balance will change hardly. Okay, but yes, next 1 month is quite exciting, and maybe Christmas holidays might not work in my favor, as in I might not get the ideal situation to trade, but coming year will be very good. Okay, so watch your videos every Sunday. I mean, I'll email these videos, okay, whenever I can, okay? So I guess, yeah, let's start fresh now. Fresh, I'm back on track, so I'll continue posting these videos. So, oh yeah, by the way, if you wanna know more about this, then go below my video. I'm out of practice. I am out of practice now because since last 3 weeks, I have not done much online on my laptop. So I'm making this video for the first time after 3 weeks because I told you my problems. Anyway, so if you want to know more about this method, then you can check out the first link. It says make money on autopilot, and click on the link and then go and check out all this, all the details on the, on the page and all that. Okay. So again, this account, I don't do anything manually here, but yes, in the number of days to come, I will take only one trade manually, and that will cover up all our waiting period and we will get profits. I know what I'm doing. But time will tell. See ya.